Starms here, and today I want to share with you the best words to use in your content when you're blogging. People love to hear you, and they like things that are very conversational, and of course also the word free. Free is a great attention grabber because if someone can get a good bargain or a deal for something, they're all for it. And using the word because is pretty good too, because is like this interruption word. Like you could be talking about something and then you can say because you're going to go further into it. So it's actually not necessarily an interruption word, but because is a word that means you're going to expound. So that generally will make people listen a little bit closer. So that is a very good word to use in your content when you're blogging. Instantly is good, because of course we live in a microwave society and everyone wants something quick and in a hurry like yesterday. So using instant for instant results, or anything that would seem to convey instant gratification is something that works really well. And also the word new or fresh, those are great words to use to attract people's attention, and they're some of the best words that people actually use in their blogging content. So go ahead and click that link to get more information on this, and if you want free tips and resources, go ahead and click the link to get that, and also connect with me. So I thank you for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you. Take care now. Bye-bye.